Hey, what's up workout buddies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a total body workout on the floor. We're working the arms, the core, the glutes, and the legs without getting off the floor at all. It's only going to take 10 minutes of your time, so let's get started. We're starting with the tricep dip, feet shoulders width apart and hands behind your hips. Now lift your butt off the floor, bend your elbows, lowering your butt close to floor but not all the way. Straighten out your arms and repeat. Straighten out your legs for the next one and lift your butt and torso up, creating a straight line. Engage your glutes and your core to keep your body straight, tilting your head back if that feels okay for you. Now lift one leg up at a time, inhaling as you bring your leg down, exhaling as you lift the other leg up. Keep on alternating. Keep your hands where they are and just drop your butt to the floor. Engage your core as you lean back and keeping your back straight. Now tuck one knee in at a time and don't forget to breathe. Get onto your back for pull over crunch. Hands over your head and feet slightly off the floor. Crunch as you bring your knees to your chest and arms over your body. Reverse and repeat. Flip over, let's do some knee push-ups next. You can do full push-ups with your knees off the floor if you're stronger than me. Come into tabletop position. Let's work those glutes. Left glute first. So kick your left leg up to the sky, reverse, and bring it back into your chest. Left knee down, right glute next. Kick that right leg up to the sky, reverse, and knee to chest. Beautiful, you guys. Alright, let's tone the back of those thighs. Extend your left leg straight out behind you. Now lift it up. Squeeze the left glute and leg at the top and lower slow. Left knee down, extend the right leg out and lift. Go down onto your stomach. Let's work the posterior chain. Float your arms and feet off the floor with the strength of all those back muscles. Now move your arms and legs like you're swimming in the air. Great job, you guys. Thank you as always for working out with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next one.